Hi everyone, nice to see you. I'm Leah.
Hi everyone, I'm Jari. Welcome to watch Lopo today's video. As we know, 2020 is a really unusual year, so the face mask is becoming the necessity in our daily life. And the face mask we launched before is hot selling in the market, and it has great feedback. To enrich the production line and to lead the market, we just developed a new sublimation face mask, and today we will introduce to you.
Yes, as you can see, here are 3 sublimation masks we launched before and our new sublimation mask we're going to talk about today. And the advantage of them is that everyone has a filter pocket, and the most important, the material we used is 100% polyester, flexible and breathable, so when you wear it, you can feel so skin friendly.
Okay, first, let's review the 3 types of face masks we have launched before. And the first one is the 3D face mask. As you see, the workmanship of it is really nice, and the design can make it better shaped when you wear it. You see? Yeah, it looks more fashionable if compared with other normal flat face masks. And because the design is not flat, it has 2 sides, so it should print chise. So if you don't mind to print chise, I think this would be your best choice, and it's very easy to print. Yeah.
Next one is the sublimation mask with the white edge. As you can see, the stitching edge can also be printed. But when printing, the material is flexible, so we need to scratch it a little bit more like this way to keep the printing effect will be better. So it do need some more practice, but if you already get the tips, I think it must be a good choice for you because it is more cheaper than the 3D mask and it can be for printing even the ear loops.
This third one, as you see, it has black edge. Actually, it's the best selling among the 3 types of face mask, and I think it's the color because it's black. Black always be popular in the market, just like phone case, like t-shirt, and there is only one we should concern is whether you want to do the full printing. And when you pull it outwards, you can see they will leave a blank part on it. So if you don't mind it and don't want to do the full printing, I think this would be your best choice because it's easy to print and it's cheap.
So what are we going to bring to you here today? You know, at Lopo, we always trying to make our goods to be better and better. Keep updating our products to make them lead the market is always what we are doing.
Well, and finally is this one, our new developed face mask. As you know, it has an adjustable strap with rubber and one installation tool, as you see. And what's more important, it has flat stitch, so it can make it very easy to do the full printing.
Yeah, and the material we used is the same with the 3-1, flexible and breathable. And it is also with a pocket design so that we can put filter or disposable mask inlays to offer better protection.
What's good news is we will keep the same price as our old flat face mask. Even our production cost will be higher than before.
It is also our Lopo's principle, make our goods better but try to keep the same price, competitive price. Okay, now let us do the printing demo.
First, we should prepare the heat tape, the transfer paper, and the blank new face mask. Now let's do it.
We have 2 sizes of our new sublimation mask, and first we'll put the smaller size in. Set the printing temperature for 180 degrees. The printing time for 5 seconds. Let's check the printing effect.
Now let's print the bigger size. Okay, time's up. By the way, I want to talk about the packing for our new mask. It will be packed as 10 pieces into the PB bag and with 10 pairs soft rubber and one installation tool.
Okay, now let me show you how to install the rubber to the ear loop with this amazing tool. Firstly, use this hook to cross the larger side of the rubber to the smaller side, and then hook up the string. You can adjust it by yourself. Very easy, right?
That's all for today. Hope you can understand better about our new mask.
All of our masks are produced by our own factory. The daily output is 50,000 pieces, and we also have the HGA certification, so certified products with faster delivery and competitive price. Don't miss it. Contact our sales, get your orders done by Lopo, and try Lopo's service.
Yeah, if you want to know more about our production line, and we did make an introduction video about our factory, you can search it on YouTube channel, and the link will be added below.
We will bring more new products in the future. If you are interested in our products or in sublimation, you're welcome to visit our official website, YouTube channel, or Facebook. We are looking forward to share any ideas with the dye sublimation users all over the world.
That's all for today. Hope you are enjoying it. We are Lopo.
We love sublimation. Join us. Let's make life memorable. Thank you for watching, and I'm Leah.
I'm Jari.
Bye.